Welcome. In PowerPoint, you can easily adjust the brightness or contrast of an image. Brightness adjusts the overall lightness or darkness of an image, while contrast controls the difference between the lightest and darkest areas of an image. Select the picture to modify. Go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, expand the corrections. In the Brightness Contrast section, select one of the presets to apply effects. To apply custom values, right-click the picture and select Format Picture. Click the picture icon. Under Picture Corrections in the Brightness Contrast section, move the relevant sliders to the left or right to apply the desired effect. You can also type custom values in the text boxes to adjust the effect. To clear the applied effects, go to the Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, click Reset Picture.